Mainly the moon and Mars. It's kind of overcast. There's some clouds in the way, and the moon's not full. But so you can't see Mars just clearly when it's zoomed down here. So mainly streets over here. If I zoom in right here, that's Venus. It's fairly bright. It's kind of overcast. There's another Venus. Maybe if I turn it like street light, just the camera at an angle, I can. Other faint dot up here, I think is Saturn, right across from Venus there. So anyways, Venus is over here. This is the light and this cell phone camera. And up from Venus over in this area, if I zoomed in, there's another dot, and I think it's Saturn over in here. Otherwise, Venus is there. You can see it right there. If I come over here to the moon and zoom in, just Mars is real close in the sky next to the moon over here. And this is, the CME that hit Jupiter back in 1993, and, they want to sit around. Its orbit was altered slightly, in which it's causing all the other planets here to be shifted out of orbit on some level, in which over 30 years time it's becoming more and more visible the way it is, and that's what's causing a climate change. And so all these planets could possibly, it could just be, like it's free floating magnetic gravity and magnetics, to where everything's trying to spin around and like a wobbly top, in which everything is converging at one point because of the weight or gravity is pushing and pulling a certain way to straighten or balance everything back out again. And right, so all these planets could possibly get real big in the sky, could get larger than this, in which looks like there's a plane flying over here. Yeah, that little blinking light is a plane flying by, or jet. But I mean, look how close it is to the moon, or next to the moon, even though it's farther away. I mean, supposedly they get so close that they're almost as large as the moon in the sky, or possibly going to be in deep shit like the movie When the Worlds Collide, in which they build rockets to fly over to these other planets or something. And There's Saturn, right? This other dot up here next to Venus. That little slight dot. So here's Venus is over there. If I zoom in, that's that other dot right over there. If I move it back and forth, you can kind of see it. So then I come over here to the moon. And zoom in, and that's Mars there, and the moon. The moon was full of, about a week ago, around the 4th of July, or so now it's in the 6th or something, so now otherwise that's it. Turning